If you want to see how I achieve these curls, keep on watching this video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. And if you're not new and you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to subscribe. So these are the products I will be using. I'll also list them down below if you didn't catch it. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to get my wig wet. This is my headband wig from Dark and Deluxe Wigs. When you are detangling your hair, you always want to start from the bottom. So work your way from the bottom to the top, especially with curly hair. You want to be careful that you do not cause any extra shedding that can happen by brushing it the wrong way. So I'm just wetting my wig, and then I'm going to go in with my first shampoo. This is my neutralizing shampoo. You always want to make sure that you use a neutralizing shampoo because that will remove all of the oil and dirt and gunk that is on your wig. So once you do that, I'm going to brush my hair, y'all. I'm going to brush my wig just a little bit. But do y'all see that dirty water? Just look at that dirty water. This is your sign to shampoo your wig, okay? It's been 2 months and you've been holding on to it. It's time to shampoo it, okay? But now I'm going to go in with my second shampoo, and I'm going to use my moisturizing shampoo. The same way you double cleanse your face, you want to double cleanse your wig. There's no other way around that, okay? So once I do that, that second shampoo, your bubbles should be like you should be able to see bubbles. That's how you know your hair is clean. If you don't see bubbles, just do it one more time. Once I do that, I go in with my conditioner from the same brand, and I'm just going to let that sit for about 5 minutes as well. I did put the conditioner in and brush it one more time before I allowed it to sit. And I was also recording for IG, so that's why my angles, I'm so sorry about my arm in the way, y'all. I'm so sorry. But I had to get this on video. So like you see me doing, I always start from the top to the bottom. And once I detangle that, then I go from the top to the bottom. And yeah, make sure to not miss the back where the nape is, because that's where a lot of the kinks can happen. So make sure you get back there too. And I'm just using a Denman brush. This is the brush you want to use when you are working with curly hair. Once I let it sit, I then went and rinsed it out with cold water. You always want to rinse with cold water to lock in that moisture from that conditioner, and it also helps with the static and the shine and stuff like that. So cold water definitely has a lot of benefits. If you didn't know, now you know. You should definitely give this video a thumbs up for that free game I just gave you if you didn't know. If you already knew, I mean, you could still give this video a thumbs up. I would definitely appreciate that. All right, so now we are getting to the end of this video. I know it was quick. I know, y'all. I know. And when I go in with my product, this is my product from the Shea Moisture line, and I love this product. It doesn't make my curls too crunchy, and it doesn't leave any white residue. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. The key trick is to use a little bit and then just brush it through the hair. You don't have to slap it on there like conditioner. You don't have to do that. Please do not do that, okay? So this is one of my favorite products to use. If you are a curly girl, list down in the comment section your favorite product, because I've been on a hunt to try different products. I used to use the Whole Lotta Body, but I just feel like that makes my hair too crunchy. I don't know. I really don't like that though. So I've been on a hunt to find more curly hair products. So if you have a favorite one, let me know so I can test it out and see how it do me. So for this product also, you do not have to rinse this out, okay? So what I did is I just put it into the wig and then I brushed it. Once you brush it, you only need to pass it through the hair one time because that brush will make the curls activate. And then what you will see me do towards the end after I finish brushing is I'm just draining all the excess water out because we're going to sit it to air dry. And then I'm going to kind of squeeze the hair up. This is my way of getting more of the curls, as you would see me doing. So yeah, once the air dries, this usually takes about like 20-30 minutes to air dry, at least to where I can wear it to. If you want to completely air dry it, of course, you can wait the next day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.